I just have a very personal question to ask you. Marco Vivery, anong ibig sabihin ng I hate you? Pag sinasabi mo yan sa isap-isap. So what does it mean?
Po, nung first time na sabi ko sa kanya, I hate you. It was gabi, bago matulog. Ang dami nangyari yung araw na yun. Yung parang sinusuntok niya ako buong araw. Yung parang sinasampal yung ganung bagay. And, yun, parang nainis ako dun. Pero, even that, parang masaya pa din ako. So, it's like, I hate you. Something na...
Diretso mo. I hate you. It's thank you and...
Thank you that you're always beside me.
Oh, so, okay. So, do you also say I hate you? Because somebody told me, diretso na ito, somebody told me when you guys say this to each other, it actually means I love you. Totoo ba yun?
Hindi ko po alam. Basta, like, nagsasabihan po kami na I hate you kasi yun nga, sobrang...
Lambingan. What is the best thing that you like about Vivery?
She's true.
She's true. The best thing about Marco?
True din po.
Tonight with Boy Abunda.
Habang nakikipagkwentuhan ang lahat kay Vivery, si Marco hindi pa rin makapagsalita.
Hindi, seryoso. Hindi pa siya nakain kasi iniintay ka niyan.
Wala.
Hindi na ako gutom. Seryoso ako. Go na, kain na kayo dun.
Go, Marco!
Marco, paghanda mo na, Marco. Ano na? Asa na yung pagkain? Ano naman yung
Dalawa kayo magsabay kayo.
Kunin mo naman yung pagkain. Mamaya yung sasabihin. Oh my God! Keep na take cry! Oh my God!
She was really pretty and she was good, and now I like it more.
Tapos ka kumain?
Hindi po. Sabayan mo na, Marco.
Sa akin to? Thank you.
Tinan mo, kutsara mo yung luwag.
She changed a lot. Talagang, sabi ko sa sarili ko, wow.
Solo. Anong kinain mo? Buong araw.
Breakfast.
At nag-wear siya ng pink. And I think I never saw her wearing pink, but or a dress like that. Yeah, it's total.
Ayoko nang mawala yung tabi mo. Gusto kita parati sa isip ko.
Joke lang!
Joke lang. Bagay. Hindi pwede ba sabihin na maganda?
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.
Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bighati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Gumaganda to hold you in my arms forever. That's who I've always been. Your kiss stops time, my heart pounds better.